Want to learn on Coursera without paying, but you're not sure how auditing works? In this video, I'll show you how to audit a Coursera course step by step, what you can access for free, and what stays locked unless you pay. Quick heads up, Coursera Plus Annual is currently discounted to $80 for the whole year for a limited time offer. If you plan to take multiple courses and earn certificates, this can be one of the cheapest legit options. On Coursera, auditing means you can often access the course content for free, mainly video lectures and reading materials without paying for the certificate. It's a great option if you just want to learn the skills, preview a course before spending money, or study at your own pace without worrying about deadlines. To audit a course, open the course page you want on Coursera and click Enroll. After that, Coursera will usually show different choices like paying for the course, starting a free trial, or sometimes an audit option. Look for a small link that says Audit the course, full course no certificate, or something similar. It's not always easy to spot, so you may need to scan the page carefully. Once you choose that option, you'll get access to the free parts of the course right away. In most cases, you'll be able to watch the lectures and view reading materials, but you may not get graded assignments, quizzes, feedback, or the certificate. So if your goal is to add a certificate to your resume or LinkedIn, auditing alone won't do that. But if your goal is pure learning, auditing is one of the best ways to learn on Coursera for free. A smart approach is to audit first, make sure the course fits your goals, and only upgrade if you actually need the certificate or graded work. That way, you don't waste money on the wrong course. If you want to explore popular courses and see what's included with Coursera Plus, I'll put my link in the description. And again, Coursera Plus Annual is discounted to $80 for a limited time. So if you want to complete multiple courses and earn certificates faster, that deal can be worth it. Thanks for watching.